Hey, this is Rahul, and I'm super excited to announce the drag race between the two entry-level performance motorcycles. On the left corner, we have the KTM Duke 390, 373.2cc single-cylinder engine providing 43.5 horsepower at 9,500 RPM with a curb weight of only 154.2 kilograms, and the rider weight is a modest 63 kg as well. And now, the challenger, the new kid of the block. Welcome, the Kawasaki Ninja 400 399cc parallel twin engine making 48.3 horsepower at 10,000 RPM and weighing in at a hefty 173 kilograms. I must add that he has added Akrapovic carbon slip-on, which is making it lose about 6 kilograms. So make that weight to 167 nearabouts. The Ninja 400 also has a heavier rider at 95 kilograms. Before we start the race, let's understand the motorcycles. The Duke's single cylinder has a very strong low and mid range, and right off the line it has the major advantage. However, the Ninja 400 has more displacement and one extra cylinder. That means the top end will be much stronger. It also has the extra power. The two things that work against the Ninja 400 are its weight disadvantage of about 20 kilograms when compared to the Duke and the lower end performance. But the Duke is down on power, and once it hits the high RPMs, the limiter is restricted to 10,500 RPM, whereas the Ninja goes to an astronomical 13,000 RPM. I feel that is a big advantage as you need to shift much less on a drag. Still, who do you think will win? Pause this video right now and comment down below. I want to see your guesses. I want to know what you think. Rajesh didn't launch the bike perfectly, so we had to give it another go. Round 2. Ninja 400 won round 2 fair and square, but I wasn't happy with my launch, so we decided to give it one final touch. Round 3.
So as we found out, the Duke initially always goes away, but the Ninja, once it goes to the higher RPM, the power really kicks in and it is faster. So that's settled. I probably did a slight misshifts, but even with that, it's close. It's not that it's running away, but yeah, the Ninja is faster even on the lower RPM. So even I mean, not the lower, but rather the higher mid-range. So when it goes again to the I don't know what would happen, because after a while the Ninja's 5th and 6th gear are also pretty tall, so that might be something.
We have to remember that the Duke used was 5 years old, and the engines do lose a bit of performance over time, and this Ninja 400 is still a brand new bike. But with the new improved mid-range and stellar top-end performance and weight saving of 6 kilograms over the previous Ninja 300, the trellis frame on the Ninja 400 finally gives it that acceleration advantage. The Ninja won fair and square. If it wasn't priced at twice of the KTM Duke 390 and maintenance cost wasn't as high as 3 times of that of KTM, I believe this motorcycle would have made an excellent competition in the Indian market. However, as things stand right now, I don't see much sales for this bike, but it is still an excellent motorcycle, and yes, it did win on the drag strip. I hope you liked this drag race. I tried to make it as entertaining and as informative as possible at the same time. do hit that subscribe button, and if you're an existing subscriber, click on that bell icon. The Ninja 400 full review is dropping anytime right now, so you have to turn on the notifications if you don't want to miss that video. I am really close to 100,000 subscribers, and another subscriber is always welcome. Existing subscribers, please share my channel with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.